Hi everyone, I hope you have enjoyed some time off in between completing your assessments. Now we really are on the home stretch, so hang in there. So this is a short video just to provide you with some basic feedback for Assessment 1, to go over where we've been and where we're going for the rest of the semester, and a few reminders, in particular Assessment 2 and the exam. So feedback for Assessment 1. What has been great, I have to say, has been the online presentations, which overall have been very well facilitated and very engaging. There is, however, a real opportunity for improvement, and that's in regards to the written report. More research with the inclusion of academic journals, which are actually peer-reviewed and therefore much more credible than online texts or texts in general. And because of their peer review, they are definitely so much better sources for you to be using and are expected at a master's level. So our journey so far. Now is the time that we need to be reviewing the unit learning objectives and making sure that some good notes have been taken in preparation for the exam. So in week 1, we covered an introduction to strategic brand management. With week 2, focused on consumer-based brand equity. Week 3, positioning. Week 4, brand elements and secondary brand associations. And week 5, the marketing program. And if you have been participating in the weekly discussion forums, all these concepts have been covered and you have good examples with each of the case studies, which you can draw upon for your exam. Now in week 6 we covered brand performance measures and models, and just in regards to the exam, if you can look at the pros and cons of each of the models that you use, this will definitely demonstrate your critical analysis skills and certainly result in much higher grades in the examination. In week 7 we covered brand architecture, week 8 brand extension and co-branding, and in week 9 service, corporate and business-to-business brand management. Now, as you should all be aware of, I have posted an exam guide and sample exam for you all to review in preparation for the exam on Moodle. And make sure, I cannot emphasize this enough, that you start your preparation for the exam as early as you can, as it's worth 60% of the marks for the unit. So, what's up for the rest of the semester? So, in week 10, we'll be looking at global branding, and Juliana will be looking at the brand Nike next week. In week 11, we'll be looking at public policy and managing the brand continuum. And in week 12, brand futures and launching brands, which leaves 2 assessments, that is Assessment 2 and the exam. So, a friendly reminder that Assessment 2, the brand audit, which is a team-based assessment, as you're all well aware, is due Sunday, October the 15th, at midnight, and I'm really looking forward to your brand audits and seeing what you come up with. Now, please make sure in relation to your group assessments that this graphic does not represent your role within the group. I hope you're not the person who does 99% of the work because you're not good at delegating or have to be in control, or the person who's always missing in action until the due date. Now this is a busy time of semester, so make sure you and your team members are on task, and if there are any major issues you should contact me as soon as possible, as time definitely gets away from us at this point in the semester. So another friendly reminder, leading up to the exam, there will be a question and answer webinar via Zoom, and that'll be Monday, the 16th of October at 7:30 p.m. So hopefully you can all attend. I will make sure that I record it just in case you are not available for that timing. And remember, there are no silly questions. Please post any questions you have to the discussion forum, as chances are everybody else in the group will have the same question. So looking forward to the last few weeks of semester and making sure that everybody is on top of everything they need to do in order to succeed. Bye for now.